Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot, and that is, can Novo send a check? Before I answer that question, I want to give you a little bit of background on Novo. Novo is a business banking platform that is designed to help small businesses and startups manage their finances. They offer a variety of features, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. So, can Novo send a check? The answer is yes. Novo can send a check to you or to anyone else you need to pay. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you will need to have enough money in your account to cover the check. If you don't have enough money, the check will bounce. Second, you will need to provide Novo with the recipient's name and address. Third, you will need to choose the type of check you want to send. There are two types of checks that Novo offers, a paper check and a virtual check. A paper check will be mailed to the recipient. A virtual check is an electronic check that will be sent to the recipient's email address. Once you have provided Novo with all of the necessary information, they will send the check. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Additional information. Novo offers a variety of other features, including the ability to track your expenses and income, the ability to set up automatic payments, the ability to get a credit report. Novo is a great option for small businesses and startups that are looking for a comprehensive banking solution. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on business and finance. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.